Hello everyone, welcome back to Master Hangeul. Today we will study Unit 2. We will learn how to pronounce plain consonants and how to write plain consonants. Unlike vowels, consonants cannot make a sound by themselves, so we add the vowel to help us practice. Please pronounce each sound in a relaxed way. Do not add extra tension. Just breathe naturally. Let's move to the next slide. First, I will say the sounds, then I will read the letter name. Listen carefully. 그, 기역, 느, 니은, 드, 디귿, 르, 리을, 무, 미음. Let's look at the next 5 consonants. 브, 비읍, 스, 시옷, 응, 이응, 즈, 지읒, 흐, 히읗. At this moment, do not try to memorize the names, just focus on the sounds. Now let's learn how to pronounce them. Let's start with Group 1. Group 1 sounds use your lips. The first letter is 미음. Close your lips gently and say 무. Let air flow through your nose. It makes a soft humming sound. It is similar to the English M. I will read once again. 무, 무. Let's read 3 times together. 무, 무, 무. The next is 비읍. Close your lip first and release a small puff of air. 부. Air flows through your mouth. It is similar to the English 비. Let's read 3 times together. 부, 부, 부. Let's see the Group 2. Group 2 sounds use your tongue. The first letter is 니은. Place the tip of your tongue on the gum behind your upper teeth. Say 느. Let air flow through your nose. It is similar to the English N. Let's read together 3 times. 느, 느, 느. The next letter is 디귿. 드. Again, keep your tongue in the same position. Release it quickly and say 드. It is similar to the English D. This letter is 리을. It sounds similar to the English L or R, but it is not exactly either of them. As you can see in the picture, your tongue touches the gum behind your upper teeth. Say 르. Make a quick, light tap. The air flows along the sides of the tongue. Before we practice, try making a clicking sounds with your tongue like me. This can help you practice the 리을 sounds. Let's read 3 times together. 르, 르, 르. The next letter is 시옷. Start with your tongue in the 디귿 position. The middle of your tongue raised slightly. This creates a narrow path. Blow air softly through this narrow space. It's a soft S sound. It sounds similar to the English S. Let's move on to the Group 3. Group 3 is the letter 지읒. Move your tongue slightly back from the 니은 position. So from the 느 position, you will feel a firm area just behind the upper front teeth. A broader part of your tongue touches the roof of the mouth. It sounds similar to the English J, but technically it's not an exact J sound. so please do not rely on the romanization. Try to listen carefully and make a similar sound. Let's read together 3 times. Z, z, z. Next is group 4. These sounds are made in the back of your mouth, near the throat. First is 기역, 그. From the near position, move your tip of your tongue further back towards your throat. You will feel a soft area. The back of tongue blocks the space very close to the soft area and then releases. It sounds similar to the English G. 그. Let's read 3 times together. 그, 그, 그. Next is 이응. This letter is silent at the beginning of a word, but when it's in the final consonant position, it makes the 응 sound. Let's read 3 times together. 응, 응, 응. Finally, let's look at the group 5. Group 5 is the letter 히읗. It sounds similar to the English H. This sound is made in the throat. You do not use your tongue or lips. Just let the air flow from your throat. Let's read 3 times together. 흐, 흐, 흐. Now let's learn how to write them. Plain consonants are written in a specific order. Always write from top to bottom and left to right. Please look at the screen. You can see the numbers and arrows. Follow this order to write these letters below. Now let's practice writing the remaining letters. Today we learned how to pronounce and write the plain consonants. Next, we will put consonants and vowels together and practice reading words. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.